Pack with me for a 3-week vacation.
1, 2, 3.
I will actually not be using just this little carry-on. We will be taking this bad boy with us as well. I actually have the carry-on version of my away luggage, but my little brother has it, and we will be doing a switcheroo when I see him in 2 weeks. And so for now, we're gonna use this as a temporary check-in. But yes, today we are 4 days out from my 3-week vacation. I am taking my parents on a month-long trip to Mango. So we're doing 3 weeks. The first week is a cruise to the Bahamas. It's the Carnival Dream Cruise. And then the second week, we're going to a mini little road trip to Port Aranza. And then the last week, we're going on another cruise on the Carnival Jubilee with my family. So yes, I'm excited about this trip. I actually accidentally took a month off of work when I shouldn't have and booked this non-refundable trip, but it's fine. But honestly, like, let's enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? So today's goal is to pre-pack, which means I open these luggages, we throw a bunch of stuff inside of it, and leave it there for 3 days, finally roll it up right before we leave to the airport. So the whole point of me doing this today is because today is actually the last day I can go run errands because work is gonna be a little bit hectic this week. And so I'm gonna see if I need anything additional for the trip, and then we'll be going to Target and Sephora. Today is the second to last day of Sephora's special annual sale thingy that they do every year. So I need to go do my annual Sephora shopping, and I'll take you with me, and then also pick up a couple Sephora things for the trip as well. So that is today's goal. Let us go. I packed too much. Immediately I'm like, crap, this is a lot of clothes, and do I need all these clothes? But then I'm like, I'm gonna be gone for a month, and so I need it. All right, the next step to packing is procrastination. Let's go shopping. Also, I got this drink from the alley. It's a strawberry green tea, and usually it's not really sweet, but the other day it was actually really, really sweet. So I drank half of it, filled it with water, and now I'm drinking the other half, also filled with water, so it's watered down and it's much better. Do you think she has one? Can I get her one?
She doesn't brush her teeth. I've never seen her brush her teeth.
We're currently at Target shopping for my trip coming up. I got my mom these little baby Listerines, and I got her these little toothpastes per her request. Got some pads. What else do we need? What else should we get, Mom?
We just need to get it for Mom because Dad doesn't have teeth.
Should we? You still have to brush your dentures. Should I get them these?
Yeah, these are cute.
Okay, get them the gray one for Dad. These are little toothbrushes.
This is what Dad's gonna do, brush his teeth.
That's how you clean dentures. Why are you making fun of my dad?
Fine, get them blocked.
Oh, look at this.
Boring.
I got this one, which is kind of expensive. Back in the day, it used to be way cheaper. It's like $11.59. Look at this.
Well, I got my own pot.
They used to have a case for this on top. This is kind of cool. I like it. Meltaways? Should we just get it for the vlog? Testing it out? Why being mean? How old are you, ma'am? You're 41, man. You might need those too.
She does need them.
She needs them. Dishwashing soap, we don't need that. Hand sanitizer, Young's the supplier. Oh, whoa, they have little ones. Oh, should I get this? Dude, I'd be having allergic reactions to everything. I think I should get this. It's just a pack to go. These are great. Get my cart. My basket is full. Pray for my wallet. Let's go. For Tacho, we're getting one of these, the rice wash. I'm gonna pick up one of these mini ones. Already $100 in here. Feels we're gonna refresh on this one. One of these.
been dying to try this palette out by Urban Decay. Let's see what it looks like on my hand. Look at what it looks like on my hand. It's so pretty. I think it's sold out though.
It was chaotic in that Sephora because today is the second to last day of the sale, so everyone was in there trying to get all their last minute sale discounts, shopping, yada yada in there, and I got overwhelmed, not gonna lie. So we're doing a mini haul outside here now. This is what I got. First thing I got was the refill of the Tatcha rice wash. Looks like this. I got the mini version of it as well because that will be used for traveling. We're refilling on the Ultra Facial Moisturizer by Kiehl's. It's my go-to moisturizer. Since I'm gonna be traveling for about a month, my skin gets really dry. So I love the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I got a new one of these. This thing lasts quite a bit of time and it really does rehydrate my skin when I travel, especially international traveling, so we're gonna need that. And I was gonna refill the Then I Met You cleansing balm that I usually use, and I was gonna get the travel size, but it's not gonna come in time via mail when I purchase it online tonight, so I got a mini pharmacy green clean cleansing balm. This one, I honestly am not gonna lie, I was influenced by Alicia Marie and I saw her using it, so I'm gonna try this for my trip. I'll purchase the Then I Met You version that's bigger for my everydays. And then a few more influence things. The Makeup Forever lip liner called Anywhere Caffeine. The sun is bright, y'all. But yes, now we're gonna head over to my sister's to drop off a few things and then we'll go home and I'll give you guys a little mini Target haul as well. Okay, we're back home, putting on some fluffy socks because the ground is cold. Okay, let's do a mini little haul of everything that I got at Target because I did not show you everything. Sometimes I feel like you spend more money before you travel than when you travel. Okay, let's go. So, first we got some mini little travel toothbrushes for my parents. I got them a black and a gray one. Literally the only thing my mom asked for was hairspray and little mini toothpastes, so got some of these. And then for me, I don't know where I put my mini shaver, so I got this cute little mini shaver from Venus. It has 5 blades. It was kind of pricey. Then I also got some shaving cream as well, a little mini. I'm gonna be gone for about a month, so I had to buy some pads, night and day. Then we got some mouthwash, these 2 little mouthwashes. Then we got Dove Advanced Dry Shampoo. And then I got the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. Love these. My mom asked for hairspray, so I got her a little Tresemme hairspray bottle. Oh, and then for my AirTags, I learned that you can just change out the batteries, so I got little batteries for that. Then I got Benadryl because your girl's been having some new allergic reactions to things, so just some Go packs just in case. And then I've been seeing this all over TikTok, so Olay, your ads have been working. These are the cleansing melts. Boy, Mango thinks these are little treats. But yes, these are dissolving pads for facial cleansing. So we're gonna try this out. And then also for my trip, I'm bringing some sunscreens. I got this little hairbrush from Daiso that my mom asked for. Whoa, it says built-in mini cleaner. Look at that, can you see that on the bottom? Wow, Daiso is so cool. Stands unsupported. Hold up. It does! Yeah, easily entertained over here. Okay, then it says the bottom is a mini cleaner to help get the rest of the hairs out. Okay, look at it. There's a little thing there. Yo, this is the best dollar I have ever spent. Okay, go Daiso. That is cool. Yes, okay. Work. I also got this floating hand grip for my GoPro. I will do another video after this of my go-to camera equipment, so look forward to that. This is replacing one that I broke, so We're gonna need this. And then I found this in the garage. It's a set of 2 compression packing bags. We're gonna test this out as well. Now we've procrastinated quite a bit and I don't really feel like packing, but I really need to. This is the mess I have currently made. Yes, we need to get our shits together and start packing. Just throwing all this stuff. It seems excessive, but it's because it is. Also, we're starting to procrastinate. It is the beginning of November, and I have done this. I'm gonna show you guys. I set up the Christmas tree.